to all my friends out there. So one of the cheapest things one can possibly eat is hot dogs. So I want to make some tasty corn dogs homemade. And, you know, it took me a while to really like kind of figure out how to make good ones. But, you know, now I'm kind of getting it. So what I have in my freezer is some lard. One of the cheapest sources of I guess you could say shortening or fat is lard, and lard is pig fat, so that's kind of a good one. So I want to make some cornbread for my I'm going to make pigs in a blanket. So today for 99 cents I bought this stuff, and I thought, wow, you know, I bet that would make a really tasty corn dog. You could also use this, and I have before, but you know, I want to try this. So by keeping this stuff around, it says add water or milk. So today when I made those pancakes with powdered sugar, I used powdered milk. So powdered milk is cheap. So in this, I want to use my leftover cream corn, which I need to find some, and I have some egg, and I need, let's see, what else do I need? Corn, milk, the muffin mix, and an egg. That's all. Okay, so let's see. I will add a little cream corn. The more cheap meals I can find, so I just need a little bit. My corn is really cold, so but that's okay. So I'll just. So mainly I want to make like just a little bit, enough for my 2 hot dogs. This stuff is also good for frying fish. So, you know, things don't have to be exact, you know, as long as it's, so that looks good. So I want to go back over here to my lard. Uh-oh, my thing is loose. Okay. So hello to everyone. Today is pretty nice. It wasn't cool earlier, but for the past couple of days, it's cooled off good. So I want to make like two little, corn dog things. Okay, now my corn mixture, my hush puppy mix with onion flavor. Oh, yummy! That should be good. Another thing I could have made to go with this was the hash browns I bought yesterday. But this is just my lunch, so I want to make my lunch like 2 sandwiches. Let's see, I'm trying to find my hash browns. Well, they're buried in the freezer. But I was able to find hash browns, I think at 99 cents only, for 99 cents. I do not want to be running out of bread under any circumstances, like flour shortages. There's all ways to do it, but this is, you know, going to work out fine. Okay, and then I want to make myself a tasty dessert while those are frying. Now, I really like this dessert. I made it with chocolate. I made this dessert, I guess it was a few days ago. with chocolate syrup, but I thought, you know, chocolate chips are very tasty. So I have one yogurt. I'm trying to lay off the sugar, not in a miserable way, you guys, just, you know, so that I can, you know, keep my weight off. So I'm just going to make a half of one. So I bought these hot dogs. I think it was like what, 6 or 8 for. Let's see, if it's ready. For about $1, so they'd be 18 cents. And you know, I used a little of my. It's not quite ready to turn. When they're all done, there you'll be able to flip them easily. And these are really good. These are going to be really good. Okay, so now, I think it's the day before yesterday, I bought a banana, and now my banana needs to be used. I'm not going to probably eat the whole thing today, so I'll just freeze the rest. This is really, really ripe. I hope it's okay. Yeah, I guess it's good now. Sometimes they make smoothies out of them, you know. I don't like overripe bananas that much. Ooh, you know what? This smells good, you guys. I've never tried these things. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be stockpiling all kinds of this looks good. I'm going to be stockpiling all kinds of bread things, so there's actually no way that I can possibly run out of bread. You don't really think about bread, you know, you're on low-carb diets until, you know, there was actually no bread, if that ever would happen. Let's hope not. I heard something today. At the first of the year, the Diet Cokes at McDonald's are not going to be $1 anymore. We'll be okay. And then it's a strong possibility, and I wouldn't doubt this either, that the unemployment tax will double at the first of the year. I go, well, yeah, that would make sense. Then, you know, they can regroup. I have found if you don't go crazy on the chocolate chips, it's much better. So here's my tasty little dessert. I'll probably freeze it. I like the yogurt frozen. I find this kind of stuff, ooh, yummy, it's looking good. I find this kind of stuff comes out so much better if you cook your hot dogs. I actually like hot dogs and sausage, and they are some of the cheapest possible meat you can possibly buy. Let me get some ketchup. You can use ketchup or barbecue sauce. Ketchup and mustard is good. So you guys, if you do any cheap meals of any sort, if you will leave it and you do a video. Also, if you do any stuff that is like geared towards senior citizens, if you will let us know in the comments, then we will watch it. I'm very interested in this, and I'm going to be doing more videos. I never really thought about approaching my life as a senior, even though I am 66. I qualify. Look at this. That'll do. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all. Let me give you one more shot of the recipe. Where is the recipe? Okay, 99 cents at Walmart. I think you can use frozen corn or regular canned corn. I think the only thing that makes it what do you call it? Cream corn is you could grind it a little bit in the what do you call that? In the blender. I'm going to be researching that. Maybe I should taste one of these. Maybe it tastes horrible. I'm going to let you know. I don't think so. And this is going to protect you. Now, what I do now is I slip this in the freezer. The Hush Puppy mix. Yummy. That's one of my better ones. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.